Hi, good morning everyone. Myself Santosh Rajendra Bola. Today's date is 27th June 2022 and today's our topic is constructor in Java. First of all, constructor is a block of codes similar to the method. It is called when an instance of the class is created. All the time of calling constructor memory for the objects is allocated in the memory, and it is a special type of a method which is used to initialize the object, and every time an object is created using the new keyword, and at least one constructor is called, and it calls a default constructor if there is no constructor available in the class. In such cases, Java compiler provides a default constructor by the default rules for creating a Java constructor. There are two types of rules defined for the constructors, in which constructor name must be the same as its class name, and a constructor must have no explicit return type, and a Java constructor cannot be abstract and static and final and synchronized. And the types of Java constructors, there are two types of constructors in Java, in which default constructor and non-argument constructor and parameterized constructor, in which a default constructor, a constructor is called a default constructor when it doesn't have any parameterized and what is the purpose of that default constructor? In this, the default constructor is used to provide the default values to the object, like 0, null, and etc. Depending on the other type, in Java, a parameterized constructor, in which a constructor which has specific number of parameters is called as a parameterized constructor, and the constructor do not have a return type. And why we use a parameterized constructor? It means the parameterized constructor is used to provide different values to distinct objects, and however you can provide the same values also, and why use the parameterized constructor? Because the parameterized constructor is used to provide different values to different objects, and however you can provide the same values also. So parameterized, and we can create constructor in the constructor, and we can create in the method so many constructors we can create at a time, but we can pass the value of one constructor to the another constructor, and then only the value will get passes. This information is about a constructor in Java. Thank you.